Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using GoDaddy email marketing. GoDaddy email marketing, an honest review. Is it worth your time? In this video, we'll take a close look at GoDaddy's email marketing service, examining its key features, user-friendliness, and ultimately, whether it's the right fit for your business needs. GoDaddy's email marketing platform is specifically designed to empower small and medium-sized businesses to create and manage effective email campaigns without the complexities often associated with email marketing. Its intuitive interface makes it an ideal choice for beginners, featuring a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor that simplifies email design. A significant advantage of GoDaddy email marketing is its seamless integration with other GoDaddy services, such as their website builder and domain hosting, allowing for streamlined campaign creation and management. This cohesive ecosystem can simplify your workflow considerably. The platform offers a selection of mobile-responsive templates, ensuring your emails display perfectly on any device. Furthermore, these templates can be customized to align with your brand's visual identity. For those seeking automation, GoDaddy's email marketing enables you to set up automated campaigns, including welcome emails, follow-up messages, and re-engagement emails triggered by subscriber behavior. This automation can significantly streamline your marketing efforts. When it comes to performance tracking, GoDaddy provides essential analytics, allowing you to monitor key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement statistics. However, it's worth noting that it lacks some of the more advanced features found in higher-tier platforms, such as A/B testing and granular segmentation capabilities. Another helpful feature is list management. You can easily import existing contact lists, segment them for targeted campaigns, and manage subscribers efficiently within the platform. GoDaddy also automatically ensures your emails comply with CAN-SPAM regulations, minimizing the risk of penalties and deliverability problems. On the downside, GoDaddy's email marketing tool is comparatively basic when compared to more comprehensive email marketing platforms like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. It doesn't offer the sophisticated automation workflows or intricate tagging systems that businesses with complex marketing requirements might need. Pricing is transparent and structured around the number of subscribers, making it a cost-effective option, especially if you're already utilizing other GoDaddy services. For businesses just starting out with email marketing or those seeking a simple email management solution, GoDaddy offers decent value. In summary, GoDaddy email marketing is a worthwhile choice for businesses seeking a user-friendly, straightforward platform with core features. Its tight integration with other GoDaddy services makes it a solid option if you're not looking for advanced email marketing functionalities. However, for businesses with more complex marketing needs, other platforms might offer a more comprehensive and robust feature set.